In front of me is Nubia Flip, and today I would like to show you how you can operate vibration settings. First of all, access Devices settings and click on Sound and Vibration over here. Then you can click on Ring at the top left corner and apply one of those vibration options by tapping on the chosen one. Vibrate when ringing, or vibrate then ring. You can also tap on Vibrate next to Ring over here to mute your device completely, leaving only vibrations. When you're ready, scroll down, click on Switch to Silent Vibrate and apply a Vibrate option by clicking on it. Scroll down again and click on those switchers next to Charging Sounds and Vibration, and touch Vibration to enable or disable those options. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!